is a complex wildlife. King of the jungle is always on a hunt, is chasing and chasing the wild beast. The beast is trying to escape. Oh, the beast goes and hides behind the woods. The lion couldn't find him. He slowly returns, and the beast watches him from behind the woods. The ferocious lion is growling. He is not ready to give up. He waits for the beast, and he goes and hides behind the woods. And the beast slowly comes out. And the lion grows again, and the beast starts running. The king of the jungle is chasing and chasing again the wild beast. Oh, what's happening here? The beast stops. Yeah, some more wild beasts join him. Now the lion senses danger, and he quickly turns back, and we see the beasts are chasing the lion. Now the lion hides behind the woods to save his life. Ha 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 ha. Both the wild beasts are incensed now. The lion roars and attacks one of the beasts. Oh, the beast rises again. And they chase him. Oh, there's a third wild beast against him, and he's covered by all the three wild beasts. Oh, all the three beasts uses their horns to kill the lion.